It works.
Eureka.
It's got fire.
We've had a bit of a large gap since the last time we talked on the channel.
Yeah. There's a whole video in between this and something else.
You guys gotta go watch it. We competed.
Yes.
A very out-of-pocket decision.
And something actually went right for once at Carolina Adventure World for me.
Well, you better cross your fingers and knock on some wood.
It's already done. It's already done and over with.
You still got more stuff.
Shut it. You know what? It's running good, so I'm not worried about it. Shout out to Bob for this. Saved my life.
We got everything unloaded. We got the tether cord put on that sapsucker. He bled his brakes. Didn't do much to mine.
I'm gonna have to go to Plug. A&M Cycles. I'm gonna have to go there. See Kyle. I'm gonna have to.
That was way too close.
Oh god. I'm gonna have to get my original rear caliper for the Raptor rebuilt. Because that one just it don't work. So.
Fair enough.
So, yeah, but that's all we've really done. Welded that, packed up, got here, and did some things that you guys will see in the future.
So I guess game plan moving forward is to try and cook something on this this drum, and then after that we're probably gonna hit things hard tomorrow and try and get all the other quads messed up and drive them around a little bit.
I will be doing tomorrow.
So we're not supposed to talk about that.
I'm gonna throw you in the fire. They might light then.
So we're gonna try some new perspectives and stuff. I don't know how well it's gonna work with all the mud and whatnot, but it definitely would be cool.
Oh,
that I was not expecting that to be green.
Did they
and chunky.
Replace your fire starter with slime?
Or antifreeze?
No. That's like the tire slime you put in the tire. Remember?
Yeah. So we're gonna try and do some of the stuff that Mr. Tyrese does with the locked off tripod shots. That was definitely really cool of him to show us the ropes on how to do that. I definitely enjoyed trying to edit some of that stuff from Busco. So big shout out to him, and then we'll see what happens this weekend. The 4 of us riding. And yeah, we'll see you guys when we bring you back tomorrow.
It's day 2. First day wasn't really much actually wasn't really any trail riding. We just did some racing, but now we're going out gearing up for first trail ride of the weekend. I think we're gonna hit trail 5, correct?
Yeah, gonna try to.
Okay, hit trail 5. We got both Raptors, the Suzuki, and can't see her, but Gracie's over there on the 250 somewhere. So we got the whole crew with us today. So should be fun. We'll meet you guys on the trail and I guess see what happens.
Yeah.
Got some other fun things planned for tonight, so hopefully those go well. So yeah, see you then. rides a Raptor.
content with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions all them times, I was hopeless. Now we the coldest.
Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my God got the key. Spirit trying to talk.